So here I am at the 58th National Roller Skating Championship, which is being held in Mohali. And what am I doing here? Of course, bringing a little more awareness about the sports, meeting all the champions, talking to the parents, looking into the pros and cons. What all Mohali is doing for the sports. So let us talk to each and every one of them and have fun in this video.
So here I am at the United Roller Skating Club Mohali, and I can see great arrangements being made, keeping into mind the comfort level of all the players and their guardians. Proper seating spaces in shade and eating facilities have been provided. So here I am inside the club, and the last practice session before the nationals is being conducted here. This game of skating, roller skating, hockey skating, or be it freestyle, it's all about passion and consistency. There is a lot which the sports teach us, especially the focus and discipline in life.
So I have Aarti Kasturi Raj, guys, a big name for skating. I am so excited and thrilled to meet you, Aarti. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था it's my dream come true to meet such a wonderful little girl, so humble, so adjusting. How many messages I gave her and I got a reply to each and every message.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
That shows you are a wonderful human being.
Thank you.
Aarti, I really wanted to meet you because I know you are a doctor by profession.
Yes.
Skater come doctor. Which field are you in?
I'm now doing my master's in clinical embryology.
Okay.
So it's infertility.
Okay. You would be glad to know that I also have a medical background.
Oh.
So I can understand all your terms. So she is doing clinical embryology, something which really needs and requires brain. How has skating helped you to procure your ambitions for being a doctor?
So
Has it helped you in any way? Or was it that skating was not there, then even you would have gone through?
no, like I think like it's always a balance, and my parents have always supported me of
Okay.
doing both, and my
Okay.
mom's a doctor as well. But I think skating got me more focus in life. It taught me how to balance things, and I think my 5 years of MBBS was just studying and skating
Okay,
and no other
okay.
life. But
Okay.
yeah, I think it was a challenge, but I enjoyed the challenge.
You enjoyed the challenge. Aarti, your father is a sports person, okay, right? And mother is a gynecologist, I
Yes,
think.
yes.
So, being a daughter to a gynecologist, she had always must be having an immense pressure to perform in studies, right? So, life was only restricted to skating and studies. We need to sacrifice. We need to sacrifice many things in life. So, Aarti, did it ever come to your mind, my friends are partying, my friends are going to a disc, oh, what is my life all about? I'm just doing on the ground and rest I'm with the books. Anything?
No, I actually love sleeping, so every time I got a chance to rest, I would like to sleep.
You would like to sleep. And I think sleep hours are really important for the sports, right? Can you throw a little light on that?
I think recovery is as important as how hard training is. So
Okay.
for me to manage college and skating was hard by itself. So,
By itself.
Yeah, so like the few hours that I had, I would want to just be at home and be at home with family and stuff. But yeah, otherwise it was fine. But I think sleep is equally important for a athlete.
When it comes to skating and when it comes to quota, fine, sports quota, did you ever enjoy that sports quota, or do you think that it's of no use when it comes to skating?
No, I think of course it's of all the use. Like I got
Okay.
into the government medical college through skating. It's just that I didn't pursue it in a government college because I knew I still wanted to pursue the sport and I wasn't ready to give up.
Okay.
So if I had joined a government college, it would have been all the more harder for me. So that was like the main reason that I joined a private university, because
Okay.
getting leave for tournaments is easier in a private university.
Okay.
But I think the sport definitely helped, and I think it's still helping a lot of people, and it's really nice to see that the sport is developing, and like there are people who are getting into academics also through the sport.
Okay.
But I just hope that they also continue skating and not give up the
Okay.
sport.
Something about your husband, please.
Oh.
She's married.
Yeah.
Something about your husband.
I got married more than a year back now.
Okay.
And, he's a cricketer. So
Okay, wonderful.
yeah.
He plays IPL.
Yeah, he
he
plays
plays IPL. Any interviews, you can contact her.
No, he's not like me. Yeah, he plays IPL. He plays for Kolkata Knight Riders. So we are settled in Chennai, and I'm very glad that I got married to him because he's changed my life in a lot of ways too.
Okay.
He's taught me how to be positive in life. He's taught me a lot of things. He's just a mental support. So I'm very glad that I got married to a sportsman, because it's very easy when you have a person who thinks alike. And especially during the COVID times when he was also at home for once, we got to spend some time together. So we were training together. We got different workouts to do. Like I got to experience another sport, another kind of training, which is also
Okay.
very nice. So
Okay.
yeah, that's my husband. His name's Sandeep, and yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful to hear that. So, this is a message for all the couples, all the girls who think that maybe getting married is going to be a hindrance in their sports career. Or okay, she is a wonderful example. What is the input of your in-laws? Do they have any set expectations from you?
No, I think they're like my parents as well, because till date they've never pressurized me for anything. In fact, they're the most supportive in-laws, to be honest. My husband's from Kerala and I'm from Chennai, so we're from two different states. But
Was
there's
it a love marriage?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It was a love marriage. I met him at my college. He came as a chief guest, so that's how we met.
Oh,
But yeah.
anybody would fall in love with her. She's
No.
so pleasing.
No, yeah, but my in-laws are the most supportive in-laws. I hardly get time to see them, to go spend time with them, because we're always like, it's either he's on a tour or I'm on a tour. So, but they're really supportive. They make sure that I'm okay. They keep telling me to manage studying and skating, and they tell me to rest nicely because that's their priority. So I think, touch wood, I'm blessed that way, that I have two nice families now instead of one.
When you are so nice, Aarti, it had to be like that way.
No, I think everyone is nice. Everyone has some good, some bad. So we take the good and we just go ahead.
You're
I
so
think.
positive. I am so immensely blessed to meet a positive person
Nothing,
like you.
nothing like that. I'm glad. It's a
No.
pleasure.
I am so glad. Thank you so much for your precious time, Aarti.
No problem.
One thing I would like you all to inculcate in your behavior from Aarti is this positivity. Nothing can stop you if you want to do it. She is married. She is a girl. Okay? She is a daughter-in-law. She is a wife. She is a daughter. And she is doing what she wants to do in her life. She's passionate about her ambitions. You can convince people of your dreams if you want to. Okay? There is no stopping, no halting for you. Any advice to the young girls who are trying to pursue this sport? It's very important when it comes from your mom. Yeah.
I think there's always a perspective that girls can't do as much as boys. But I think we can definitely do as much as them, and in fact we could actually do more than them, because I believe we are slightly more luckier than the guys, because for me I feel like I've always improved at a faster pace compared to boys, because I'm training with the boys. So there's always there's a perspective that, you know, the girls cannot do as much as boys, but there's nothing like that. And the next thing is, if you need to get married, you need to study, you can't keep falling down. My mom is equally scared about every time I fall down and get bruised, but I think that's the specialty of the sport. Like, the sport is aggressive. The sport teaches you how to become strong. It teaches the girls how to become strong. It teaches the girls how to fight, like any problem in life. Like, let it be personal, let it be competitive, how to be positive, how to come out of failure, how to stand up for yourself. I think a sport definitely teaches all of that for a girl. So I think we should never give up, and we can achieve as much or in fact more than the boys.
Fun.
Yes.
You being into the medical background, I being an educator, having a daughter who is a teenager who has just received her periods.
Yes.
I know how scared she feels when she thinks that it is going to be her tournament and it is going to clash with the period dates.
Yeah.
What is your advice for the health issues related to such things with the girls? How can they cope up?
I think it's different for everybody, but to be honest, this is how I take it, that whether you get your periods or you do, like you're on your periods during the races, ultimately it's a race. Everyone has some trouble somewhere, but I don't think your periods will ever hinder your race. It's just mental. If you're mentally strong, I feel like when I'm on my periods or I just get done with the period, I'm way stronger than what I was before. So I think that's a very wrong perspective that people have, that if you are on your periods you cannot race, because that's completely wrong. You can of course race. There are so many days that we were racing on a day one of period. So I don't think it's a problem at all. I still think probably just take it a little easy during training, but when it's in a race day, it's a do or die situation and you want to win in the end. So
So girls, kindly listen to this and let's break that myth. Let's come out of that. Periods are important just for reproducing, okay? And it's not going to hinder any progress in your life. What better a question if she tells us about her achievements?
So I've been skating since 2001 December, and I started representing India since 2008. So ever since I've been representing the country every year. The most recent is that I represented India in the Asian Games that happened in 2018 in Indonesia. We won a silver medal in the relay in the 2018 Asian Championship as well. But I think my best performance came out in the 2019 World Games in Barcelona, where I had quite a few races. I finished top 10 consistently in the seniors, which was one of my small-time goals. There's still a lot more goals. But I hold the national record, but I just hope that from nationals we all go on to the bigger arena. But and I hope everyone gets more achievements. I hope our country goes up higher.
Yes.
But
With the youth like you, it is going to be going uphill.
Yes, I'm always ready to help whoever needs
It just
any
came
help.
to my mind that I must ask you one thing more.
Yes.
What is the difference between pursuing skating in India and pursuing cricket? Because you have a cricketer at home, you have a skater at home. What is the
I do not
difference?
like talking about two sports, but me and my husband always get into arguments because they get so much of support compared to our sport. But when I actually see a cricketer's point of view, they make a living out of the sport, and so their life is literally just cricket. But for me, I can't keep my life just as skating because the income does not come as much as cricket does. Like, you can earn out of cricket, but you can't really earn out of skating. And for me, skating is, I think it's passion. I don't skate for the money or name or fame. It's just the love I have for the sport. So cricket's a whole different level because it's a team sport. It's there. If you see on a world arena, India is one of the best cricket teams they have, but in skating we're probably top 10, top 12. So unless we start winning at world level, Asian level on a more consistent time, I think our sport will equally improve. Like from what I've been skating back then to now, there's so much of an improvement already. It's like the federation has improved so much. They help us so much now. So I think as time goes, the federation is trying their best also to get the best out of the athletes. So I think with time everything's going to come, but I don't think you can compare an individual sport with a team sport, and cricket's a team sport, so I think we should just leave cricket away.
So please, government, listen to us. We have the children putting in the equal efforts for skating also. Kindly create a situation where they can also earn their living out of skating.
I really thank Dr. Aarti for a wonderful talk. After having this wonderful session with her, I got a chance to visit the road circuit, which was newly constructed and was quite near to the roller skating track. It also had a provision for the roller freestyle skating. I really thank the United Roller Skating Club for doing all this for the upcoming skaters.
Here I have some very beautiful people from Andhra Pradesh. Say hello everyone. Hi. So, how are you feeling? Very good. Coach sir, can we have your good name, please?
My name is Rajesh.
Rajesh. Okay, sir. First, what is your experience of the place here? Dibble.
This is a very good place.
Okay, what?
Plenty of fields
Oh, yeah.
and a good climate over here.
Oh.
Skating ground on the road is very good.
Okay. So here we have the beautiful parents and the children. So, first of all, ladies, how are you doing? Good. So, are you enjoying Punjab?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are enjoying the food as parathas,
Oh,
rajma.
Rajma. And anything else? Anything else, ma'am? What did you eat?
Kofta.
Kofta. Okay. So, what is otherwise your staple food? What do you cook in your place?
Actually, we cooked dum biryanis,
Okay.
mutton biryanis. We are AP people are liked very spicy items. No? Here people are very mild spices.
Oh,
And healthy food also.
okay.
Here food is very healthy.
Okay, you find it healthy, but you know we put on a lot of weight eating the same food. But that's okay, Andhra Pradesh. I think Andhra Pradesh people are rocking and you people are great. Thank you for such great reviews. And anything else,
Food
right?
is very good. Road is very good. Both are near, but coming and going, traveling is main issue.
Traveling is I think traveling is the only issue. Can we say that?
Traveling is the only
issue, right? And rest, I think they are providing you with food and they are
पंजाब से ना इतना क्या बोलते हैं कॉपरेट कर रहे हैं फूड के
Ah.
हिसाब से पंजाब पीपल्स आर द वेरी गुड पीपल
and we have the brilliant Ilankat. Ilankat, am I pronouncing your name in the right manner or wrong?
Right.
It's right. Ilankat, I saw you doing something really, something which really fascinated me, and I have seen it for the very first time. So, can you just let us know something about your sports activity which you are doing right now?
It's roller freestyle.
Okay, it is roller freestyle. Okay, feel free and speak everything. How did you go about with this sport? What fascinated you to go with this thing?
I like adventure, like doing this.
Yeah.
There was more ramps and jumps, so I very fascinated to do this.
Okay, fine. And I was really surprised to see something like this happening in India. Do you have other children doing such a sports with you?
Yeah,
You are from which state?
from Tamil Nadu.
From Tamil Nadu. Because Tamil Nadu is really good in skating. And why didn't you go for the regular speed skating? Why this?
I decided to do today because we can take only one sports
Okay.
today, so I
Okay.
came here.
And otherwise you are doing regular
Yeah.
speed skating
Yeah.
also. Okay. Let's have a brief thing as to what he is about to show us. Okay, ready, steady, go. That is so wonderful. Amazing. So here we have the Tamil Nadu team and we have Harsha here, a beautiful girl. Harsha, tell me something about your passion for this sports.
Yeah, like I have this for my same adventure. Like we have from same
Okay.
team.
Okay.
Like recently only I've joined this.
You have started doing it from almost what time?
Maybe 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Did you face any difficulties doing it?
bit. It's
A
fine.
bit of it, right? And Harsha, anything you want to tell your juniors about this sports? Because see, myself, if I talk about myself, I've seen this kind of sports for the very first time in India. Fine. What would you like to advise? Is it easy? Should children pick it up? Or what would you like to say?
The fear.
It's
We don't need to get fear.
Saraswati ma'am, I want to know your opinion as a parent. You have come here to Punjab for the first time.
Yeah, this is
And how are you liking Punjab?
very good. Good.
You liked it. You're at you found the arrangements for national because it is the first time we are hosting nationals, right?
yes, yeah.
So what would you like to say, advise?
All in one place. It's too good.
Okay, all in one place. It's you really loved that
Yeah,
thing,
yeah,
and I think it is convenient, right? And what about the food facility?
Yeah, they are all providing everything.
They are providing you everything.
Missing
Okay.
our South Indian food, but then it's good. Super.
So you can always try paranthas, right? Because you know we Punjabis are very fond of your South Indian food, and I think you should also try our cuisine.
Yes.
Variation is always good, right? Thank you so much, Saraswati ma'am. Thank you, children. Thank you. Lovely speaking to you.